Ryan and I are here today on the Verde River. Verde? I think it's Verde.
Verde?
One! Alright! Come on!
Verde. Cool.
Done.
Verde.
Yeah!
So the Verde River here in Arizona is one of the most important areas in the entire state. 2/3 of all of the wildlife you can find along these riparian corridors is here.
All this beautiful green behind me, totally decimated by mining production.
This is what the river right where we are now looked like back then. There's no tree, there's no brush, no bushes, no flowers, no nothing.
And it's taken 100 years to get back to this beauty.
So the Verde River is actually one of 2 wild and scenic rivers here in Arizona. And wild means that they have to retain this character. The floods, the ecology, the landscape. Only 1/10 of 1% of the rivers here are wild. This is as close to a real river in Arizona that you will find.
That black mountain, that's man-made. It's called slag.
Dang.
It's actually full of gold, and it's from the extraction process of copper. Essentially iron and silicon, we can't get that gold out. Fortunately, it's so dense because of the iron that it doesn't go in the river.
So the Verde River is primarily spring-driven. That means that besides snowpack and rainfall, the thing that is driving this river, the thing that is keeping it alive, is groundwater. And in the upper basins, they're draining the groundwater aquifer, and that may have some really profound consequences on this ecosystem, this river, and shoot, the 2.5 million people who depend on it in Phoenix for their drinking water.
So there are a number of rapids on the Verde River, especially in this little section. They're fun, easy. Almost ate it on that rock that I didn't see. Nothing too crazy, but you know, such is adventure. So what's really fun too about coming to these places, everybody around us loves this environment.
Oh, definitely. You probably don't even have to swim, you just pull yourself on the rock.
Yeah.
Having that kind of support is so important to keeping these ecosystems just the way they are. These beautiful places, literally a river oasis in the middle of what would be maybe an unforgiving desert. Water gun fight. The people that are preserving this place, that brought me here, brought Ryan here today, the Verde River Institute. They're some pretty astounding people. You should absolutely come out here and have an adventure with them. Adventure Hydrology! Hey everybody, thanks for joining on the adventure today. I had a blast. I really hope you did. Make sure to do all that fun social media stuff. Follow this channel. Check me out on Facebook, Instagram. Join me on adventures. Give me a shout via email. This is so much fun. I hope you learned something too. Remember, this is your world. Learn to adventure. Adventure Hydrology.